Welcome to this guide. Today you will learn how to change the ringtone for calls on WhatsApp. If you want a custom sound for incoming WhatsApp calls, follow these simple steps. Start by launching the WhatsApp application on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. After opening the WhatsApp application on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see 3 dots that you will click on. Then when a small window with a drop-down menu opens, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, a new page will open where you will look for the Notifications option in the drop-down menu and click on it. The application will open the next page, where you will also scroll down to the Calls section and then click on the Ringtone option. Here comes the most interesting part. Before opening the list with the ringtone, a small window will open where you will click on the Sounds folder. When the ringtone list opens, we suggest you listen to all the possible ones, and after deciding, just click on the selected ringtone and then confirm with the OK option. Your new ringtone is now set for WhatsApp calls, and that's it. You have successfully changed the ringtone for WhatsApp calls. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and recommend it to others, and also follow us for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.